Welcome to Crojo Corner. My name is Laura. Today we're going to take a look at my new website, crojocorner.com. I just posted a new blog and it's about free crochet flower patterns for beginners. All of these patterns will be linked in my blog post, so you can visit that at crojocorner.com. The first pattern we will look at today are the heart flowers, and these are just crocheted hearts that are sewn together to make these beautiful little motifs. I could see these on a pillow or even on a canvas for a picture to hang on the wall. The next pattern can be altered to look like different flowers depending on what color yarn you use. To me, these look like impatiens. I think they're so cute and they look really easy to make. The link is in my blog post and you can find it on Ravelry. The next free pattern is a crochet daffodil. These are my mom's favorite flowers, and I'm going to make her some and put them on a stem, on a wire, and stick them in a vase for Mother's Day. Aren't they cute? Next is the petal puff stitch crochet flower. Now this is so adorable. I just love it. It looks so squishy and delicious, and it's really super easy to make. And the last one is the super easy crochet flower pattern. These are ruffly, and I could see them on a little girl's dress or a little hat or adorning a lampshade perhaps, or even a blanket. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a great day, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!